Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your 7-minute workout app subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, you can cancel your subscription very easily. You just need to follow the prompts which I'm going to provide you, but you need to keep in something in your mind. If you have taken your subscription on Apple, then you need to follow the second method, and if you have taken your subscription with the Play Store or Android, then you can follow the first method. So first method for Android users, like you need to open your Play Store app and then you need to tap on your profile icon. Now you need to select your payments and subscription option. Now you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your app, 7 workout app, and then you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. And if you have taken your subscription by using your Apple phone, or you can select App Store, you need to open your app, you can select iPhone settings, and you need to select your Apple ID. You need to select subscriptions, and then you need to select your app like 7 workout app, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. So by using this way, you can easily cancel your 7-minute workout app subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.